Directions, directions, directions. We must learn about directions. Corners, corners, corners. We must learn about corners. Directions, directions, directions. We must learn about directions. Corners, corners, corners. We must learn about corners. When we travels on the roads, when we travels on the water, when we travels in the air, we must know about directions. Directions, directions, we must learn about directions. Corners, 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 we must learn about corners. East, west, north, south, these are directions. North, east, north, west, these are corners. South, east, south, west, these are corners. You must learn about directions and corners. Directions, directions, directions. We must learn about directions. Father, mother, children, adults live together, form a family. Some families live together, form a village. Some villages live together, form a mandal. Some mandals live together, form a district. Some districts together form a state. Some states together form a country. Directions, directions, directions. We must learn about directions. Corners, corners, corners. We must learn about corners.